Let's design a mixed-use tower in downtown Miami. I'll type in the brief and select the site. First, Snaptrude runs a site analysis. It pulls zoning data, setbacks, FAR, and height limits directly from official municipal sources. You can even edit the values in the table. Once you approve, the AI generates the building envelope based on those codes and the site geometry. You get two things: a buildable envelope placed on the site and a massing reference near the origin. Next, it generates and places the building core inside the envelope. Then departments are created and stacked across stories, along with program tables and diagrams. The AI also runs adjacency logic, so related departments sit where they should. It generates inspirations for both exteriors and interiors. Finally, you can choose to pack all departments into the envelope to see how the program actually fits inside the building form. From a one-line brief to a fully structured massing model with zoning compliance, building core, and a packed program. When you're ready, switch to design mode and take full control over the design.